Hello everyone! Today I will tell you about Greentown. Greentown is a beautiful city. It is not very big, but it has a nice neighborhood. It's near mountains and a river. Many people travel there every year. In the city center, there are tall buildings. Some are made of steel and stone, others of wood. These are beautiful wooden buildings. There is also a very tall skyscraper, the tallest building in town. People go inside and use the lift to go up. At the top, there's a restaurant. People eat their meal there. At night, they enjoy dinner and the amazing view. At the bottom of the skyscraper, there are shops. A big shoe shop and a small gift shop await visitors. The old part of Greentown is very special. It has ancient and historic houses showcasing the city's rich culture. Tourists love to walk around and take photos. There are many charming attractions in this historic area. There is also a small museum where visitors can learn about the town's fascinating history. The buildings are very traditional, many made of beautiful stone and wood, reflecting timeless craftsmanship. Greentown truly loves nature. The park is very green and natural, with a clean and bright environment. Children go to the playground every day. Some enjoy cycling through the park's scenic paths. Flowers bloom in every corner, and butterflies gracefully fly outside, adding to the beauty. People sit outside, enjoying the fresh air and peaceful atmosphere of the park. Every summer, an open-air cinema appears in the park, where families watch movies together. You can go around the city by double-decker bus. It's red and very famous. Some tourists hire a bicycle, while others travel with a caravan, exploring at their own pace. The bus passes every neighborhood, stopping conveniently near all important locations. Every month, a big street fair brings many social events. People dance, sing, and enjoy delicious food. Families have dinner together, and children play exciting games, creating joyful memories. Visitors always have a truly wonderful experience in charming Greentown. In one quiet corner of the city, there is a tiny house. Its size is very small. The house is made of wood and a little plastic, with nice accessories inside, making it cozy. The bedroom is at the top, while the kitchen is conveniently located at the bottom. At night, the family goes outside and looks at the stars. Then they go inside to sleep. Greentown is a small city, but it is full of life, culture, and beauty. People who visit Greentown always want to come back again. Discover its charm.